Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My good name is Cecilia, and today we are going to be learning, and we are going to be learning a learning area that is mathematics, and I've chosen a strand which is numbers, and to be specific, in this strand we are going to be having a substrand that is squares, and we are going to be using mathematical tables to find the squares of numbers. Now, for the squares of numbers, when you're using mathematical table, first of all, they need to be decimals. They need to be in decimals. If it is a whole number, you are required to put that number into standard form, or rather convert it to standard form. And you are going to be able to use a math table to be able to find the square of that number. So welcome to this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember also to tell a friend about this video, and also share. You're free to share this video. Let's get to it. When I'm saying that we are going to be using a math table, this is the math table that I'm going to be using. It's the math table you're going to be using, and I'm having a ruler, and I know when I'm going through the example, I'm going to tell you why use this ruler. Actually, let me just tell you. This is why when you just open any page of math table, you find that with this math table, I hope you can see, these math tables, they have a lot of numbers, yeah? So you need to be accurate, yeah? So we are going to be placing our ruler like that, so that we are going to be accurate when we are going to be looking or finding the square of numbers using the math table. So be my guest and welcome. Okay, so this is the number that I was talking about, and the other number is this one. And I want us to find those numbers step by step. I want us to look for the squares step by step. So the first step that you're supposed to do is when you have that number, remember 3.927. This is what you do. With this number, the first step, find 3.9, okay? So find 3.9 in the math table. This is where you get 3.9. It is normally at this X column, To be clear, I'll be using this color pencil. So find 3.9. There's 3.9 here. So I've said use this column. 3.9, it's there. 3.9, it's here. So this 3.9, for that 3.9, you go to the right, find the column that has 2. The second number you look for is a 2. So you go to 2, This is the column that I'm talking about. This is 2. So to the right, where they intersect here, that number I want us to note. This is why I was telling you to have a ruler. You see, there are so many numbers, but once you place this ruler like this, then it means that you are going to be accurate. So this is it. This is the number that we are talking about. Let me also have that there for you for highlighting purposes. So that is it. So again, let me have this one here so that you'll be knowing what I'm doing. So there. So it means that where they intersect, this one here, this number is the one that you're supposed to note. So that number is 15.366. So note that number. So note that number. That is the number, this is the number 15.15. So we have found that it is 15.366. Then what about this 7? Now, from finding 3.9, then going to 2, then going to 7. 7, you normally find it on this additional, on this part of the additional of column, additional column. So this is what you are going to do. Again, just place your ruler like that so that you will be accurate. So 7 is here. So we have what? 55. So we have a 55. This is what I'm saying. Again, move all the way to there. Then this is the 7 that we are talking about. Sorry about the noises outside. So this is the number 55. So you are going to add, since you have been instructed to do what? To add. So you are going to add 55 here. 55, add it. Sorry about that. So we have 15.366. We are supposed to be adding 5. So we add. So in this case, you have 11, you have 12, you have 4, 1, 5. So when you are told to find the square of 3.927 using a math table, then your answer should give you 15.421. So that is it. So what if now you are given this number that I was talking about? It's a whole number, 7,638, and you are required to square that number. Then what do? I've said from the beginning of this video, I've said that you are supposed to write this number into standard form, and in this case it will be 7.638 times 10. Remember, I've moved from 1 to 3, so to power 3. So it means that you have to find the square of this number, that part, then find the square of that. Okay, yeah, let's see. So again, the same procedure. Find 7.6 from your math table. That is the first part. Let's see, it is not in this page, so we have to move to the next page. We have to move to the next page here. We have 7.6. So for the 7.6 is here. So let me highlight it. So it's here. Remember, it is from this column, X column. Up to here, 7.6. So for the 7.6, I want you to move to the right side of the number. This is the right side of the number. Now, where we have 3. So for 3, where is 3? Here it is. I said note that number where they intersecting. So when you move this one and this one, where they intersect, where they meet there, then that number you need to note it down. So in our case it is 58.22. 58.22. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do is for 8, go to 8. 8 normally here at the additional columns. These are the columns that I'm talking about. This one. Okay, so where is 8? 8 is here. So 8 is here. Now it requires us to add 12. Okay, the ruler, I said your ruler is going to help you to be accurate. So we are going to be adding 12. So add that 12. add that 12. Then remember you have also this part. You have to multiply your answer here by 10 to power 3 when it is squared. For those who have gone ahead, I know for Form 1, Form 2, Form 3 students, I know you know the laws of indices, and this one we have 3 times 2, which is 6 from the laws of indices. So it means that it is 58.34 times 10 to power 6. This simply means the number of zeros that you have. Those are tens. Don't worry. Okay, so it means that 10 times 10 times 10. How many times? 6 times. Okay. So in other words, you are going to be having 58.34 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's giving you a million. Okay, so when you multiply by that, these twos will go with this one for this decimal. So it means that it is going to be going to the right. So it is going to be 58, 3, 4. Many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 that have been left. 3, 4. So in this case, when you find the square of a whole number, that is 7,638, when you square it, you're going to find 58,340,000. Yeah, so you're going to get 58,340,000. And that is it, guys, for today. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to tell a friend, remember also to share. Thank you. Ciao.